Gold traded bearish with a modest bearishness, you can say. At the same time, Dow Jones and Nasdaq both traded in range throughout this day. Now, what to expect today with the US cash session, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. And also, I hope you have profited with the move in gold, where I had asked you to sell at 1760 levels. Now, which position we should take, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. So do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with Nasdaq 100 and in the end Dow Jones. Do watch till the end, do listen to it carefully and do note down the levels here. Now look at the hourly charts first. Now see, on the hourly charts you can find out there is a clear wall out here and it is failing to sustain above these levels. That is very clear. You can find out there is a resistance around this zone at 1765-67 zone. So only buy entry again I will recommend is above 1770 levels. Till the time it trades below 1770, do not consider this as bullish. Now look at the hourly charts here. Lower highs are seen. Yes, above 1758 certainly it can show you little bullishness. You can take 1760-62 levels can be seen, but still it will not be considered as bullish and probably there is a possibility. Now see, lower lows, lower highs, and hence indicates that it may try to achieve further lows, as we had expected that below 1760, 1755 is the first support and then 1750 levels to be seen. Now why these levels are important, you can find out. It has got the support earlier, it has got the support here, and hence 1750, 1747 levels should be a very good support if it continues to trade on the downside. Directional movement, modestly bullish, stochastic trading at bottom here, and if you so there is a high probability that it may try to breach till towards 1750 to 50 zone, and in fact 1748-50 levels cannot be denied. And yes, the stochastic is trading at oversold zone. This is one indicator which is trying to give you a possibility that it may bounce back. The MACD is divergent and bearish. The RSI is looking downwards. It has cooled down from the extremely overbought levels. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, look at the previous candle and look at this candle. Till the time it trades below this zone at 1758, I will not consider you to, I will not recommend you to buy, because see, this candle, this red candle has appeared after a green candle, indicated that there is bearishness. Though there is a tail available on the previous candle, but it also means that it can reverse any point of time. So yes, below 1755 you can again take a short entry. Rather, I will say below 1754 you can take a short entry there and expect it to drop for 52, 50, 48, 47 levels. Good support, only minor pips you are going to get here, and hence you need to remain cautious. It is still trading sideways. Only bullishness confirmation is above 1770 levels. Directional movement modestly bullish, stochastic trading oversold, which indicates that there could be a possibility of a bounce back. The MACD, as I told you in the morning analysis, this is the third crossover and this may sustain, this may try to bring it further down, which indicates that there is still little bearish probability. The RSI looking downwards here, and similarly if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts you can find out. Now look at the previous few candles. See these 3 candles. It appears there is a wall out here at 1767-68 zone, and see one green candle, then a sharp bearish candle, and now it is trying to retrace back a bit. Possibility of it to retrace till towards 1760 to 63 exists, but then again achieving those levels it can again try to drop. Why? Because first red candle with the tail indicates there could be a possibility of a second red candle taking it till towards 1750, 1747 levels. Yes, you can sell there at 1754 and expect to get few pips out there till 1752, 50, 48, 47 zone, and then below that only confirm this for bearishness. The directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic oversold, and looking upwards from here. The MACD is divergent and bearish, and the RSI is trading comfortable near to the highs there. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, look at previous candles resistance. So you can find out it is giving you lower lows, and thus the support there at 1750 levels is going to be very strong. You can sell there at 1755 levels and expect it to drop for 1752, 50, 48, 47 levels, and below that a stronger drop can be expected. Our only buy position is above 17. Yes, you can take a buy at 1758, 60 zone, but remember, I don't think so that you are going to get much out of the bullish move. It may rise possibly till towards 1764, 66 zone, and only bullish confirmation is above 1770 zone. So yes, those who are willing to take a risk can in fact buy at 1758, 60 zone and possibly wait a bit for it to rise. But remember, chances of it reversing on the downside exist more than a bullish reversal. Directional movement modestly bullish, stochastic looking downwards have cooled down considerably. The MACD has crossed over. This is just 3 red candles, indicates that there could be a probability for it to continue with this bearish momentum, and hence every rise till 1765 66 zone is a good opportunity to sell. The RSI trading near to the highs, near to the overbought levels. Now let's have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you will find that lower lows are done. Possibly lower highs mean lower lows. Lower highs are done. Lower lows means 1740 levels. I'll wait for it to break. If it does, then it should be a good break till towards 1740 levels. Directional movement bullish, stochastic is overbought and hence a little bit of drop can be expected. The MACD has seen the highs, probably it has to converge from here. The RSI is near to overbought levels, which indicates probability of it to drop exist. Hence sell at 1754, buy at 1760. But remember, on the upside, be very cautious, very cautious till towards 1764-66 zone, and then 68-70 levels. Only bullish confirmation is 1770, and hence you will be getting only maybe $2 of price move, maybe $4 of price move till 1764, maybe $5-6, but then you have to trade with a trailing stop loss such that when it reverses, your trade does not close in loss. Second point, yes, if you're taking a short entry at 1754, you have to be cautious at 1752-50 zone. First, very strong support. Next, 47-48, and below that, we may see a good drop till towards 1740-42 zone. So take your trades accordingly. You have to trail your stop loss, book profits, whatever you are getting, re-enter again if you see it in the same direction. Trade accordingly, trade profitably. Let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. And yes, before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, taking right entries and right exits at the right time, you can join my mentorship batch. The last batch of this year, the 17th batch, is going to start on 28th of November. Be a part of it. Definitely, you will miss this opportunity, as the next batch after this is going to be only in year 2023. So if you attend this batch, definitely it will give you an opportunity for you to be a profitable and proficient trader from the year 2023 onwards, and definitely you can become that if you adopt the strategies which I teach. So reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel description. If you go to the home page of my channel, there is an about channel tab, and then in that about tab you will find my email ID, my Telegram ID, and my Telegram channel ID. So click on that and reach out to me. Else you can be part of my signals channel, where we are making thousands and thousands of pips and points per day on commodities and indices. Reach out to me for more details on same. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. Now see, Nasdaq 100 on the early charts, lower highs, lower lows. It is trying to trade in this channel. There is a probability that it is going to get the max resistance there at 11,770 zone. This is going to be the max resistance. Only above 11,770 you can buy for 11,800 levels, and beyond that it is going to trade bullish above this. There is a possibility of it. Also look at the early charts. It is trying to trade in this. The next candle will decide the direction. It can be similar red candle. See how it is behaved. 2 red candles, 3 green candles, 1 sharp red candle, 3 green candles. There could be 1 sharp candle which might take it till towards 11,700, which is a very good support, that 11,660, and then 11,600 levels to be seen. Directional movement not indicative of anything. Stochastic trading comfortable. The MACD trading bearish and divergent. The RSI looking upwards here. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts also it is trading in this channel. There is a clear-cut resistance available at around 11,770 levels. You have to be cautious of that. Possibly achieving those, it may try to reverse again on the downside. Hence you can take in fact a short entry at around these levels at 11,770, 11,780 levels. Till the time it trades below 11,780, I will not recommend you to buy Nasdaq 100. Beyond that, 11,800, 11,840 is the next target. Beyond 11,840 it is going to give extreme bullish move. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic trading at bottom looking upwards from here. And if you look at the MACD, this is divergent and this is bearish. It is looking forward to converge from here and enter into a bullish mode. RSI trading near to the overbought zone. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts you will find lower highs, lower lows, again trading in this channel. Thus I am again saying till 11,780 do not buy anything. In fact, above 11,780, 11,800, 840 levels to provide a maximum resistance, and it can reverse any point of time from those levels. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is at bottom trying to rise. The MACD has crossed over here, and this is second red candle. Probably we may see further more red candles from here. Hence, you need to be cautious. RSI trading near to the overbought levels. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, again 3 red candles, lower highs, lower lows. Yes, there is a support on the downside, it is getting a good support, but yes, there is a possibility that it may hit 11700 at least, and hence on the upside you have to be cautious till 11780. You can take a sell entry there. Directional movement modestly bullish, a stochastic looking downwards, and it can take a sell entry, it can give you a good sell entry here. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover, possibly it may enter for a sell. The RSI is overbought. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts, look at this higher. See, first of all, how far this can go. Yes, the pivot here is at 11740 levels. We have seen lower lows, we have seen possibility higher highs, we can see, and hence 11820 levels can also be seen. Yes, 11780 you can buy, but remember 11820 840 zone should be very good resistance. From there it can reverse any point of time. Directional movement is bullish, stochastic is extremely overbought here, it is converging for a sell here, and the RSI is divergent and bullish. It may start to converge with the red candle today. The RSI trading flat. Considering this, you can sell there at 11740 and expect 11700 levels as the good support, and below 11700 you can expect 11660 600 levels to provide the next support, and below 600 it is going to crash heavily on the downside. You can buy there at 11780 but expect 11800 820 840 as the next resistance, and it has all the probability for it to reverse till 11840 levels. Beyond 11840 the chances for it to strike 11880 920 levels exist, and beyond that we may see it hitting 12,000 levels. So take your trades accordingly and trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. Now look at Dow Jones on the hourly chart, 3 retracement candle, one sharp red candle, 3 retracement candle. We can see another sharp red candle from here, and it is trying to follow this channel, and probably it can try to attempt and achieve 3550 levels on the downside. So till 3700 I will not recommend you to buy, but beyond 3700 you have to be in fact cautious till towards 3750 and 800 levels. Probably achieving those levels, it can retrace again on the downside. You need to be cautious there. Directional movement moderately bearish, stochastic looking upward. The MACD is modestly bearish here. It is trading in the sell side, looking forward to a crossover on the bullish side. RSI trading flat. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, now see this, lower highs, flat bottom, trying to show you a squeeze. Yes, beyond 33,700 certainly more bullishness can be expected. Till the time it trades below 33,700 I will not recommend you to buy Dow Jones. Only above 33,700 you can expect that little bullishness to be seen, else it can reverse again any point of time. Below 33,600 you can see a good drop. 33,550 is the first support, 33,500 is the next support. Below that we may see a good drop till towards 33,400 300 levels. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic trading comfortable. The MACD is divergent and bearish here. The RSI is trading flat. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts you will find lower highs, lower lows. Yes, 33,700 should be a very good resistance there, and below 33,650 itself you can take a sell entry. 33,600 580 550 500 levels to be seen. So now in between 33,650 and 33,700 do not take any trade. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic looking upward. The MACD is divergent and bearish here. The RSI is trading near to the highs. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now look at the 4-hour charts, see the previous few candles, higher highs, lower lows. It is precisely at the pivot here at 33,680 levels, above which 33,780, 850, 800 levels to be seen. On the downside below 33,650 you can expect 33,600, 580, and below that we may see a very good drop. Directional movement modestly bullish, stochastic trading flat. The MACD has taken a crossover, and this is a bearish cross for a sell entry there. You need to be cautious of this. RSI trading flat and near to the highs there. Now look at the daily charts here. On the daily charts, lower highs, higher lows. Possibly 33,750 800 zone should be a good resistance. Possibly 33,550 500 should be a very good support. So 500 to 800, these 300 points we need to observe a little. Possibility exists that it can give you good swing on the and ultimately end on the downside with a drop. The directional movement here is extremely bullish here. You can find it must converge. The stochastic is overbought here. The MACD is divergent and bullish here. The RSI is trading near to the highs. Considering this, you can sell there at 33,650, buy at 33,700, but you have to be very cautious on the upside, as I am looking forward to a drop, but you need to be very cautious and vigilant with the buys entry. It made attempt and achieve 33,750, 800 zone, and from there the drop cannot be denied. Yes, you need to be careful there on the upside. Yes, you can take a long entry at 33,700, but then you have to put your stop loss at your entry price immediately, such that in case of a reversal your trade closes in profit. And yes, if you see it going in the same direction, you can re-enter the same trade. Trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.